Hello and welcome to a virtual tour of the new Missoula Public Library building, home to Missoula Public Library, University of Montana's Spectrum Discovery Area, Families First Learning Lab, and MCAT Community Media Resource. I'm Tracy Lesneski, Principal with MSR Design, the design architects for the project. We, along with our local partner A&E, are delighted to have had the honor of designing this new community hub for the region. Working in the Missoula Valley was an inspiration to our team and informed the building's form and materiality. The ever-changing valley weather and its impact on light and color influenced the exterior cladding choice, which reflects the sky and surrounding light and colors, rendering it as changeable as the valley weather. Large expanses of glass offer views into the activities inside the building, bring ample daylight in, and connect people inside to the city, campus, Mount Sentinel, and Mount Jumbo, reinforcing the building's place in the community it serves. Immediately upon entering, we're in the active heart of the building known as the Marketplace. From the entry, one immediately gets oriented to the building via views all the way through to the south and encounters for the first time an important wayfinding feature, the main stair and building core. Wrapped in wood and containing the stair, elevator, and toilet rooms, this core is key to orientation and wayfinding as one moves throughout the building. The wood adds warmth to each floor and serves as a visual cue when moving about. The main level is vibrant and active, providing spaces to meet and interact, make things, and experiment with technology and media. This level is also home to the Trapper Peak Coffee Shop, which includes an outdoor patio for those fine days. The Marketplace zone includes display of new books and media, and a retail shop with offerings from each building partner available for purchase. The makerspace opens onto the Marketplace so exciting makerly activities can spill out. Youths have a special destination on this floor with the Teen Space and Living Lab. Building partner MCAT is located here, complete with equipment checkout, small sound booths, places to create and edit audio and video content, and access to its high-tech production studio and talented staff. A large workroom for library staff on this floor is complemented by the automated materials handling system, which greatly improves the speed with which materials get checked in and sorted for reshelving. This frees up valuable staff time for other critical aspects of public service, and with an expanded building size but the same number of staff, that efficiency is very important. The local bitterroot flower inspired the pink accents on level 2. This floor is all about children, families, and learning through play. It is home to the Harrington Children's Library, Families First Learning Lab, and University of Montana's Spectrum Discovery Center. Daylight-filled and organized by age group, Level 2 has places to collaborate and play together, as well as quiet nooks for reading alone and rooms for school-aged children to study. The Water Room, a collaboration between Spectrum, Families First, and Clark Fork Coalition, is an exciting hands-on opportunity to learn about water and the water cycle. This floor also boasts interactive play fixtures designed to allow the imagination to run free. Located near these fixtures is the Imaginarium storytelling space. This room can open all the way up to the Children's Library for larger programs or expanded play and learning space. Conveniently located toilet rooms and a comfort room, which is a space that can be used for breastfeeding or calming a child, are part of the main building core. And regular library users will be delighted to see that the Gnome House lives on. Building partner Families First Learning Lab has its home on this floor as well, complete with a comfortable reception area, private consultation rooms, and a classroom. Ensuring that the building is long-lasting, flexible, and sustainable was a primary project driver. The design includes a mechanical system utilizing hydrothermal energy and a raised floor with underfloor air distribution system. This system minimizes energy use and delivers fresh air at the user level. The raised floor also supports long-term flexibility. The Payne family floor on level 3 features the fiction and nonfiction collections, reference services, and a variety of reading areas and learning spaces. The demonstration kitchen space is a great opportunity to see our built-in flexibility in action. This room is designed for demonstration cooking and also for use as a study area, a meeting room, or just a place to enjoy the view to Mount Sentinel while paging through books on cooking and nutrition. This floor provides many kinds of seating and study spaces and is a place where one can find quiet in this new library building, in study nooks and enclosed bookable study rooms. The Montana Room, which contains genealogy resources and the library's historical research collection, occupies a special corner on this floor and is accented in wood. This floor also contains a business center with laptop lending, printers, business resources, and a collaboration pod. Our design deliberately minimizes the use of interior finishes to essential, performative, and beautiful surfaces to conserve natural resources, while also ensuring that what people touch and interact with is warm and inviting, such as the handrail of the main stair or the sound-absorptive textiles on the study room walls. There are plenty of comfortable seats with lovely daylight and views to the exterior surroundings. We took particular care to provide public views to Mount Jumbo when we learned of the elk migration that takes place there each year. Level 4 is the airy summit of our figurative mountain climb and is devoted to public engagement and community gathering. This level features flexible, state-of-the-art meeting rooms and inspiring views, and the Cooper's Space Event Center. Upon entering this floor, one encounters the pre-function space, which supports events, receptions, and gatherings and provides spectacular views to the north and south. The south side of the floor offers access to an exterior patio overlooking Mount Sentinel and the city. A reception lounge offers convenient catering access and also space to have a meeting or to study. Another lounge on the north side of the floor doubles as a staff service point, a check-in area for events, or is just a lovely spot to meet with someone or relax and enjoy the view. The Blackfoot Boardroom occupies a special corner of the building, with full-height glass that makes one feel as though they are sitting in the mountains. This flexibility ensures that the new Missoula Public Library will be a useful and flexible tool in support of the community's civic gathering, programming, and event needs. Thank you for the opportunity to show you the new library building. We are excited to see the building activated with people engaged in learning and discovery in myriad ways, people gathering and socializing, and putting this new public amenity to work.